Hey, welcome back to the channel. We are finally at the point of we're going to be spraying today, I think. Lisa's already wiped down the entire frame with the sponge and we dried it off. She's taking the air and just spraying off the dust that's in the little nooks and crannies that we can't really get to. So we're, like I said, we've already wiped it down. We're going to spray it with air and then get to painting. It's already got I always want to say Carbo Coat 150. Carbo Coat 150 primer. We took it down to a local business and had it completely blasted and sprayed with the Carbo Coat. Same with the tub. You can see there's some spots where I hit it with the red primer where we welded and got scratched up a little bit moving around, but everything's primed, cleaned, getting the air on it, and then we're going to spray it. Alright, so we got a first coat on there. There's some light spots in there. I didn't want it to run, so I didn't go real heavy. But we're probably going to do 2 or 3 coats. We're just using this Rust-Oleum for the frame and the fenders and the suspension. Just using this Rust-Oleum Universal matte paint and primer in one. Farmhouse Black. So I like the color. I like the shade of the flatness of it. I've used it on some other parts, but gonna let this dry up. Got the fan going. Gonna let this dry up. Like I said, we'll get 2 or 3 coats on this. Then we'll flip it, spray the other side 2 or 3 coats, get it back right side up and do touch up where it's setting on the sawhorses probably. And then we'll be ready to start. Well, I still gotta do the hubs, but then we'll be ready to start assembling the frame to the suspension. I gotta get the wheels in and get them on the rims, and I'd like to basically get this all built, frame down, be able to wheel it around out of the way where I want to. Then I'm going to spray the tub with OD green, and it's the actual military paint from, I think we bought that one from Kaiser Willys a couple years ago. So we'll get that shook up and spray it on. But we're spraying, so we're getting there. Stick around. After we got the first coat on, we went out, mowed the lawn, did some yard work and stuff, so it sat here for a few hours. Then we came back, sprayed a whole nother coat on the top side. Tomorrow's Mother's Day, so we're probably not going to do much with this tomorrow, but hopefully one night this week we'll get out here, get it flipped over, we can get a couple coats on the bottom. Once we get a couple coats on the bottom and it dries, we'll flip it back right side up, maybe do a little touch up where it's laying on the sawhorses. And then we'll start looking at mounting brackets and starting to get some assembly going. So stick around for that, and thanks for watching.